Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to calculate lot size right here in cTrader. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because right now we are here on the Bitcoin chart. And if you want to calculate the lot size right here, you go to new order and then you can hold your mouse right here at quantity and then you can see exactly how much a 0.01 lot is. Because right now we are seeing right here that the trade value at 0.01 is exactly 706, and that's also for the sell. And if you change this right now to 1, that means that if we are trading one lot right here, that we create ourselves a position of 70k. So this is where you can calculate your lot size and how you can see how much money you step in creating your order. So this is where you can calculate your lot size. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.